going to put in the LED lights at the top. So we're going to have a rough sketch of where they're going to go, right around here. Kind of making a robot, so it should look something like this. Those are the two eyes, and we'll have nose, kind of mouth later on. So the very first step is you want to get the LED light into this location here. So that's going to go in there. In order to do that, I'm just going to pierce this right here. Don't put your finger behind it. And you just kind of make a little circle there. And then from the back, put the light in, like so. Careful not to wrinkle the cardboard. Then the light's in there, but I'm going to put a little piece of tape on there too to try to help it out a little so that it doesn't come out as easily. So here we go, little tape, see what happens. So there's one LED light. This one happens to be the yellow one. So plugging it in. So you might notice from the picture that I want to plug it into the number 1 spot. All these ones on yellow are meant for the lights. They say LEDs right there. You probably can't see it. LED. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is location 1. It's important that you put the negative is the minus sign. The black is there. So I push this down, put the black one in there. I could also use my little stick here, push down here, and then put the yellow wire in there, and it closes. All right, so my wires are in. My job is done. Go ahead and open up the BirdBlocks app, and I'm going to choose New, and just call it New. I'll just say LED lights. To the first step, I want to go to Control, so I had to hit that Control piece over there, and then I drag out that piece like that, and I'll zoom in a little. The next thing I need to drag out is what? LED 1, so I'll find that. I need to go to Hummingbird bit, so I select that right there, LED 1. Even though it's not blue, it will be eventually when it connects. I need 2 of those. What else do I need? I need a repeat and a wait. So I need a repeat and a wait. So those are yellow, so then the yellow section. So wait a sec, and then somewhere in there's a repeat. All right, there we go. So in order for these things to connect and work, I need to put them together. So the first thing I do is I put the LED 1 inside there, then the wait, then the LED 1 again, then the wait, and then right here, and I'm looking good. The next thing I got to do is change the piece from 0% to 100. So I tap in there and I just go 100. So that is all good. All right, so next step is a little bit of a trick here. I've got to connect this to the board. What do I mean by the board? So got to go to here. This is the Hummingbird board. I got to connect it. So the first thing I got to do is turn it on. On, right there. There's the on, off, and this happens to be on. So it might automatically connect on mine because I've already connected it before. But what I need to look for is right here. Is it's SAW, I think, SAW. So what I have to do is remember those letters, and I need to go back to my board, my iPad, and go up here in a little section that says connect. Up there, I think you can see it now. And I want to say connect device. Then I should see this device along with some other ones if everybody's connecting. So I need to go to SAW, so I select that one. And then it should turn from red to green, and I should hear like a little beep like that, which is awesome. And now you can see that the colors on the bit LED little blocks have turned blue, which is more like what you have in the picture that you're looking at, probably. So the next step is I want to go ahead and run this program. In order to do that, I need to push the green flag in the upper right. So I'm going to push the green flag, and then I'm going to look and see what happens over on the board. So I'll switch over to the board first, or the little light. So push that, and I see that this guy right here, I see that it's blinking. and it's blinking every 1 second.